Hey, morning guys. It is just after 6:30 a.m. We are about an hour away from sunrise, and I just got to the fishing spot. I was hoping that if I got out here a little bit early, I would beat the crowds, but it is already packed. Every spot that on the side of the road is already filled up. So it's going to be a pretty crowded day. I kind of expected that based on the research that I did, but yeah, at this point, I don't even know if that's a good or bad sign. Yeah, but we'll just have to see what happens. But it's a brand new spot to me. I've never fished here before, so I'm not sure what to expect. But I am going to be targeting chum today. So I brought a couple jigs, and then I also brought some raw shrimp to tip those jigs when I float them. So maybe get a little bit of light first, and then I'll be heading out to the river. So yeah, I'll see you then. Oh, damn. Hooked up already. Ooh. Oh man. Shit. First cast snagged. In the snag again. Jeez. Oh yeah? No, I just got here. What's your name?
Nick.
Nick? Oh, nice to meet you, man. Oh, really? Yeah, I'll probably move down. All right, man. Good luck. Nah.
Oh, you see me before? Oh, nice, man. Thank you. Appreciate that. Yeah, these two guys just hooked up once I first got here. What's your name? Grady. Nice to meet you, man. Dude, is that a bite? Oh.
Fuck no. Not too bad though. Fortunately.
Oh, jeez. That's not smart. Hello. You remember me? Hi. Step on my own fly, I did. You and me both, brother. Dang it. There we go. There we go. Oh man, here we go. Dude, fish on finally.
That one?
Yeah. Oh man, that's a good one. Let's beach this baby. Oh dude, first one in the mouth. Yeah, buddy. Oh, hell yeah.
Good one.
Oh, baby, damn. Woo. I need to bonk this guy. Is my camera on? Shit. That'd be a tragedy. Dude, what a beast. This thing is strong. First one. I know.
That never happens here.
Oh, baby. Dude, I should bonk this guy and then clean him up. Thank you, sir. Pick a rock. No, never mind. Oh, sweet. Thank you, sir. And look at that. Woo! First fish. First one ever, baby. Hell yeah. Shoot, I'm glad people just watched when I wasn't catching fish, so that's cool. You out of here? Thank you, man. Thanks for the support too, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, awesome. Thanks, Nick. Good, nice meeting you too. Oh, he's oh, in the mouth. Yeah. Oh, and he's off. Damn it. Oh no. Fish on. Oh yeah. Oh. Walk this dude back. He'll come this way. Oh, dude. Oh, he's off. Oh, and he snapped. Oh, dude, you ripped the jig right off.
You hooked it?
Yeah, he did. Fish on. Oh man, this one's taking off. Yeah, this one's going everywhere. Oh, there we go. He's out. Oh, nice. Oh, watch it. Oh, on your feet, at your feet. This guy's foul hooked on the fin, actually, not in the mouth. Fin. Yeah, it's all good. Whew, or let this guy go. Just try tired.
Thank you.
I know, right? Got a little bit left. Oh. Yeah, yeah. Oh, there you go. Fish on. This pull and drag. Oh, he's coming this way now. Here comes.
Go down, duck.
Kids. No, you're okay. Yep. Sorry. Thank you, man. Yeah. Woo. Thank you, sir. Oh man, what a beast.
Grab him in, okay?
Got him. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
Good work, bud. Honey chill for sure.
How they do it?
Yeah, it's just a. There you go, bro. I'm about to take off, man.
you
But
sure?
yeah, keep that one in case they lose that one. Yeah.
Nick Grady, give me some slack. Little fishes. A little bit.
Woo.
See you, man. Good luck. Got him. All right, guys. So after a couple hours of fishing, I decided to go ahead and call it a day. I got 2 fish in the cooler, 2 chums, and I caught 3 total, one of which I released because it was foul hooked. But what an epic day of fishing. I'm so glad that we finally got over the hump, got one in the bag. And yeah, it's not the end of Salmon Quest. I kind of feel like the season really starts now. What a great day. Actually met 2 subscribers on the water. Shout out to Grady. Shout out to Nick. You guys are awesome. If anyone else sees me on the water, definitely come say hi. It was really cool seeing you guys and meeting you guys today. I hope you guys had fun fishing too. And I hope you guys had fun watching this video. If you guys liked what you guys saw, me finally catching my first salmon, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll be coming out with more videos every week. Thank you guys for coming along with me, supporting me, even though all those skunk trips, you guys still supported me. And yeah, we got them, guys. Thank you. Take care.